So sometimes they'll write problems like this, but they're no different. You just have to kind of do the substitution. So you see with A, Z over W. So that's 2 minus 3i over 5 plus 2i. And so we're just going to do that out the same way. We're going to multiply by 5 minus 2i over 5 minus 2i. So on the top, we get 10 and then minus 4i minus 15i. So minus 19i. And negative 3i times negative 2i. So plus 6i squared, but I squared is negative 1. So minus 6. Over 5 times 5, 25. The middles cancel. 5 times negative 2i and 2i times 5. Negative 10i, positive 10i cancel out. And 2i times negative 2i is minus 4i squared. So that's plus 4. Let's delete that. That's from earlier. So what do we have now? We've got 4 minus 19i over 29. So let's go ahead and separate that. 4 over 29 minus 19i. Well, what they really want is minus 19 over 29i. All right, cool. So that was fun. Now we see this symbol again. So remember, I didn't know this symbol before today. How did I get 19? I got 19 from 2 times negative 2i, negative 4i, and negative 3i times 5, negative 15i. So that's negative 19i. Yeah, I did go through that pretty quickly. All right, let's go to B. So B, you see you're just adding them. So we can just even look at this up here. Well, no, we're adding them and then we're finding a conjugate. So I would prefer to first do Z plus W. Z plus W, and we can just look at that. That's going to be 7 minus I, negative 3i plus 2i, negative 1i. And then so if we want the conjugate of that, the conjugate of Z plus W is you just change the sign on the imaginary part. So 7 plus I. There we go. And then we're going to do Z plus the conjugate of Z. That's interesting. So we're going to do 2. I said 2 and wrote 3. 2 minus 3i plus 2 plus 3i. It's the conjugate. 2 plus 3i. All right, that's kind of interesting. So when you do that, then these still cancel out. And you just end up with 4. You just add the real parts. Cool. I never thought about that before. All right, yeah. So that was just really a little more practice.